Have you ever wondered how emotions shape our history and society? This is a question that has intrigued scholars for centuries and led to the emergence of an ever-evolving field of study, the history of emotions. In the early stages, the study of emotions was largely dismissed as irrelevant to the grand scheme of human progress. Historians, sociologists, psychologists, and anthropologists tended to privilege reason over emotion, viewing the latter as a disruptive force to be controlled or even suppressed. This perspective found its most eloquent expression in the works of thinkers like Johann Huizinga and Norbert Elias, who saw the rise of modernity as the triumph of reason over emotion. According to these scholars, modernity, with its emphasis on bureaucratization, secularization, and industrialization, represented a break from the emotional excesses of the pre-modern era. They argued that the path to progress lay in the rational control of human emotions, which were seen as irrational and potentially destructive. However, this view was not universally accepted. A counter-discourse emerged most notably in the works of German sociologist Georg Simmel. Simmel argued that emotions were not merely disruptive forces to be tamed, but valuable tools for understanding society. He suggested that studying emotions could help us understand societal changes and improve human conditions. Simmel was particularly interested in the emotional impact of industrialization. He coined the term blasé attitude to describe a kind of emotional numbness or indifference that he observed in urban dwellers. This attitude, he argued, was a response to the relentless demands of modern life and the emotional dislocation caused by mass migration from rural to urban areas. Another influential figure in the study of emotions was Max Weber. Like Simmel, Weber was interested in the emotional consequences of social change. He argued that the Protestant work ethic had devalued emotions, relegating them to the realm of the personal and private. As we can see, the study of emotions has evolved significantly over time. From being dismissed as irrelevant to being recognized as a valuable tool for understanding society, emotions have taken center stage in the study of history and society. To conclude, we can say that emotions play a crucial role in shaping our history and society. They are not just passive responses to external events, but active forces that shape human behavior and social change. Therefore, any attempt to understand history and society must take into account the profound influence of emotions. In the words of philosopher Martha Nussbaum, emotions are not just the fuel that powers the psychological mechanism of a reasoning creature, they are parts, highly complex and messy parts, of this creature's reasoning itself. So the next time you find yourself in the throes of an emotion, remember, you are not just feeling, you are also participating in the grand narrative of human history.